Hey there, car lovers! Get ready for a ride through the heart of Brazil with one of the most exotic and powerful machines on the road, the Lamborghini. Imagine cruising the iconic streets of Rio de Janeiro with Sugarloaf Mountain and Christ the Redeemer as your backdrop. Let's go. First, let's take a look at some of the Lamborghini models that turn heads wherever they go. Here's the Aventador, with its aggressive stance and sleek lines. Over there, the Huracán, a perfect blend of performance and elegance. And of course, the Urus, redefining what an SUV can be. Each model is a masterpiece of engineering and design, made for those who dare to be bold. Check out the headlights, the intricately designed wheels, and the unmistakable Lamborghini emblem. From the bustling city streets to the winding mountain roads, these cars are built for performance and to impress. See how they glide through corners and blast down straightaways, giving you a taste of their incredible speed and presence. Now, let's feel the power. Picture a Lamborghini accelerating on an open road, the roar of the engine echoing through the landscape. On the inside, you're surrounded by luxury and cutting-edge technology. The steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather, feels perfect in your hands. The digital dashboard glows with vibrant colors, displaying everything you need to conquer the road. Notice the carbon fiber trim, the leather seats, and the meticulously crafted details. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. Unleashing power and luxury on the Brazilian roads, the Lamborghini is in a league of its own. Let's explore Brazil through the eyes of a Lamborghini. Imagine these stunning machines cruising along coastal roads, winding through mountainous terrain and gliding through urban jungles. Feel the thrill as they tackle tight curves and long straightaways, showing off their impeccable design and performance. An encounter between Italian power and Brazilian landscapes, it's a sight to behold. As the sun sets, picture a Lamborghini parked on a beautiful Brazilian beach. The sound of the engine slowly fades, leaving you with a sense of awe and exhilaration. Lamborghini, performance without borders. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast. Fade out with the Lamborghini logo and music slowly fading.